back to Raf Kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make rice and beans. So if you are one of those subscribers out there that really like rice and really like beans, maybe this is the video for you. And for all those that don't like it, maybe you can learn how to make it the way Raf Kitchen do it, so you can start liking it a little bit. Guys, if you are wanting to learn how to make rice and beans, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and thank you so much for all the support and for all the people that have been out there watching Raf Kitchen. Let's not lose any more time. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, these are the ingredients that we're going to be using on today's recipe. Right here we have a little bit of onions, bell pepper, some garlic cloves, tomato paste, rice, a little bit of oregano, consomme. And right here we have a little bit of herbs. It has garlic. We also have a little bit of chopped onion. Right here I have a little bit of cumin, black pepper, and a little bit of salt, a chicken cube, and a tomato cube. Alright guys, the rice and beans is already ready to be served. I'm gonna eat it with some pork meat that I cook. I will leave the link below so that way you can go check it out how I make the pork meat. Look at that guys, that looks beautiful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications. If you want me to make more recipes like this, please let me know and I will make it happen. Thank you for all the support and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on another episode on Raf Kitchen.